Hello guys! These are the days of switching back and forth between different platforms to view your data. With Seamless Web, you can showcase your data in a visually appealing and user-friendly manner without ever leaving your website. You can also build trust with your audience by providing them with accurate and up-to-date information, while also customizing the style and colors to perfectly align with your brand. So let's find out how it can be. This can only be done through ChartMat. Transform your Google Sheets into stunning web apps and dashboards with ChartMat. Features. Introducing ChartMat, the ultimate data visualization tool for forward-thinking businesses. Transform your insights into action with ChartMat's time-saving data visualization tools. Build trust with your audience and customize your data dashboards seamlessly. Create stunning data dashboards effortlessly with ChartMat. Make data-driven decisions with ChartMat's powerful visualizations. Quickly put your data into motion without starting from scratch. And more! Price. They have 3 plans. Lite, for individuals building apps and dashboards for $19 per month billed monthly, and $14 per month billed annually. Pro, for teams building apps and dashboards for many public and private users for $29 per month billed monthly, and $22 per month billed annually. Business, for businesses building many apps and dashboards for employees and customers for $99 per month billed monthly, and $62 per month billed annually. But they have 5 lifetime deals. Plan 1. Unlimited boards, dashboards and apps, unlimited rows, 1 workspace, and 5 users for $79 instead of $264. Plan 2. Unlimited boards, dashboards and apps, unlimited rows, 3 workspaces, and 15 users $158 instead of $528. Plan 3. Unlimited boards, dashboards and apps, unlimited rows, 10 workspaces, and unlimited users for $237 instead of $792. Plan 4. Unlimited boards, dashboards and apps, unlimited rows, 25 workspaces, and unlimited users for $316 instead of $1,056. And Plan 5. Unlimited boards, dashboards and apps, unlimited rows, 100 workspaces, and unlimited users for $395 instead of $1,320. Features included in all plans. Embed boards and blocks to your website. Integrations. App scripts, Zapier, or any other tool that integrates with Google Sheets. Share each board with your team or clients. Custom domain with SSL. Web embeds. In-frame embed. 8+ building blocks. 7+ chart types. PDF export. Password protect public board. App script API integration. Action buttons. Customize forms. Insert maps. Customer review. You will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 22 reviews on the Appsumo. Trustpilot has only 4 reviews. G2 has only 2 reviews. And on Capterra, there are 10 reviews. That means this is a completely new software.
So take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10 discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. Oh, wait. If you need a video editor, audio engineer, or YouTube manager, feel free to contact us. See you in the following video. Thank you.